This is our new premium 11-inch speech tablet, enriched with Samsung technology, that is highly regarded among adults facing communication barriers due to conditions such as stroke, aphasia, Parkinson's, and CP. However, it also receives acclaim from children and adults with autism or any nonverbal individuals who value a larger touchscreen interface. This top-tier Samsung speech tablet comes pre-installed with our user-friendly TalkTablet symbols-based speech software. It features various ready-to-use vocabulary sets and offers adaptability, enabling users to effortlessly modify, add, or delete buttons. It also allows for personalization of buttons using your own words, phrases, pictures, and images. To ensure heightened protection, the speech tablet includes a hybrid carrying case stand, available in various colors. Recognized as our paramount model for children and adults, it presents a more generous display, a faster processor, and louder speakers.